You may be excited, but are you actually ready? You just got the email from us with a link to the first draft of your video. But before you pop some corn and settle in, there are some things you need to know. For starters, to log in, enter your first name. Doing this helps us track who leaves each comment. When you click the link to your video, the first image you'll see is a still shot that has been chosen to represent the video. It's not always the first frame of the video, and it's not the image your clients will see when you post it to YouTube, social, or your website. Feel free to ignore it. While you're watching your video, you can pause it at any time and then leave us a comment in the box. You can even use these drawing tools to point out exactly what you want changed. And as a side note, you can share the link we provided with colleagues and friends for feedback. But don't use this link to post to social or your website. This is not a permanent link. When you want to sound like a pro, here are a few terms to use. Now, these are not critical, but who doesn't love some technical jargon? First up, caption. This is the text on the bottom of the screen for all those people watching with no sound and for ADA compliance. Full screen, any graphic sections of the video. For example, you can say, I'd like the full screen background to be blue. Ending card, when your logo appears on screen at the end of your video. Last up, disclaimer. This is the full screen with accompanying legalese of compliance-required disclosures. An example might be, I'd like my email address added to this disclaimer. Okay, you added some editor speak to your vocabulary, so now you can be excited and ready. So settle in, enjoy your video, and please leave us your comments.